Here's where I've repaired where the patio doors have been put in. And because it was quite hollow in places, there wasn't really anywhere I could put filler for the filler to adhere to, so I put a framework in. And I've done it all the way around. At the top I've just put in plasterboard to patch in, so it didn't really need a whole framework up there. And then around this side I've also put in a timber framework. And I've reused old bits of skirting board because it was quite difficult when I went to the shop to try and get one that was the same profile, so I've just used old pieces and patched it in. And at the moment, although it might look like there's big gaps everywhere, once I put resin filler in, this will look absolutely perfect and the resin will flex with the building so it won't pop open. Whereas if between the framework and the wall, like here, you put in powder filler, that would just pop open. But by using resin, it will just flex with the building and be an absolutely perfect finish. And the same on these skirting boards. Although the gaps look big, it's actually better having bigger gaps because there's more space to put in the resin filler. So it gives it more ability to flex and move. Whereas if you put in a tiny squishy little bit of filler in a hairline crack, it will just crack open again. And then I've just put a piece of wood along here because there's a big gap between the original floor and the patio door. And I'll just paint that the same as the woodwork and it'll all look perfect when it's finished.